Hi, and welcome to Simply Learn Stuff. In this video, we will be continuing with basic navigation, as well as looking at how to delete and insert columns and rows, and how to insert and delete sheets. To navigate through Excel is quite simple by using the scroll bars at the bottom. You can move to the left or right, and also use the arrow keys to scroll as well. You can also use to scroll up and down, as well as using the arrow keys on the scroll bar. If your mouse does have a mouse wheel button, you can also use that to scroll as well. To delete or insert columns or rows, the simplest way is to right-click on the column letter and choosing Insert or Delete. You can do the same with rows by right-clicking on the row and choosing Insert or Delete. Take note, if you insert a row or a column, the new row will be inserted above the current selected row, and a new column will be inserted to the left of the currently selected column. Deleting will delete the row or column that is being selected. You can also insert or delete rows on the delete and insert groups to insert cells, sheet rows, sheet columns, or you can even insert a sheet. You can also delete cells, delete sheet rows, delete sheet columns, and delete the sheet as well. Take note, you can also insert the sheets by pressing the plus button next to the sheets. If you do insert a sheet, it will be blank by default, and the naming will continue from the previous sheet that is named. In this example, sheet 2. You can simply delete the sheet as well by right-clicking on it and choosing the delete function. Take note, if you do try to delete a sheet that has information on it, Excel will prompt you that the sheet will be permanently deleted and therefore it will not be able to be recovered. If you delete a row or a column, you should be able to use the undo button to recover that row or column, but with deleting of sheets, the only way you can recover is to close the workbook without saving and then reopening the workbook to recover that deleted sheet. I trust you find this helpful and that you will join me in the next video.